Do you have some questions about how to become a video spokesperson on Fiverr or any other freelancing websites or anywhere at all? Stay tuned. I'm going to answer them and more for you. Hi everybody. I wanted to hop on here today and answer some of the questions in the previous video. I had said, ask me some questions and I will let you know how to become a video spokesperson, how to market yourself, not only on Fiverr, but other places as well. So if you have questions as you're listening to the video today, feel free to ask them below. I'm going to continue making videos and try to help you with your Fiverr business, or if you want to be a video spokesperson just like me. So to tell you my story, I just came up on Fiverr. I just started in September of 2021, at the end of September, and I really didn't do anything for like a month. I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I came on as a voiceover person, which I was just trying something, and I did okay. I didn't do great. I did about $400 in October, November, December, so nothing very spectacular. I did some besides Fiverr as well, but I didn't think, it was as much as what I thought it would be. So then January came and I started just learning that people were doing spokesperson videos, and I kind of thought, wonder if I could do that. So I decided to just put one up, and it was kind of the end of January. And I just really started with just my iPhone and nothing else except for a ring light. I've always had a ring light because I do auditions for movies and stuff. So I've always just had a basic ring light, which isn't super expensive. And I'm putting the links below to anything that I have bought. So you can start with just an iPhone and just a little bit better lighting. If you can't afford lighting, then just stand in front of a window, because I do that too. I do in-car videos. People are hiring me to get in my car and talk about their products. So that's another thing you can do. It's pretty easy. So anyway, let's get to the questions. Okay, so fast forward, February hit. I started getting so much work. I went from beginner Fiverr to level 1 to level 2 really fast. And now I'm getting so much work. I've upped my prices a little bit. It's really fun. I really like it. I have been only offering authentic, genuine style, just like in your home videos. Then I have this background, but I'm going to explain it as we go through it. Normally, I'm just standing with a painting behind me or whatever, like very basic home-based background. Sometimes I do it in my kitchen, sometimes outside. So you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Okay, so let's go with one of the first questions. I think his name's Usman. Thank you so much for asking me a question. How do you get clients not only on Fiverr? Okay, so that's where I'm kind of at right now too. Obviously, there are other websites or freelancing sites like freelancer.com, like Upwork. But for me, I have my own website, and I'm starting this YouTube channel as well, just to get it out there. I use Twitter a lot. Twitter is a great place to just talk about what you do. Using the hashtags, obviously, it just brings people back to you. But the next thing I'm going to do, and this is using for me LinkedIn, but you can get this information just by Google. I'm going to start sending, I think I'm going to make a video and send it to different companies, like law companies or real estate companies, mortgage companies, just like with a demo of what I do, and send it directly to them, just saying, if you're ever looking for this kind of engaging at-home spokesperson video, I would really like to help. So I'm going to do some direct marketing, and I'll do some more videos as I do that. I haven't started it yet, but that's on my list to do. So that's the first question you had. The next question is pricing, how to price your gigs. So isn't that the magic question? And when I first started on Fiverr as the voiceover, I started with the $5 thing. And that was honestly just to get experience. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just trying to learn the trade and just get going with it. So when I came over into Spokesperson, I was level 1, and I went and I looked at what the other people were doing who were also level 1 and then level 2. So I was below at that point the level 2s, but just barely, because you know what, especially I think with video, they're hiring you for you. They're hiring you for your look, or not hiring you for your look, your voice, your look, everything. So I wanted to be not the bottom. I was sort of in the middle, maybe a tiny bit lower than the middle, because I was just starting. And really, I wasn't offering a professional video. I was just offering, here I am with my iPhone. So I started out at $25 for, what was my first one? I think it was maybe 70 words for a video. Right now I'm at $25 for 45 words. So all I've done is I've kept my pricing the same, but I just lowered my word count on my videos. But go in and look, because now I'm level 2 seller, so I could kind of do that a little bit, and I'm getting busier and busier and busier. I don't want more videos. I would like more money for one video. So that's kind of where I'm heading with the pricing. But feel free to ask me more questions about pricing. I'm happy to help. Okay, important gears for video equipment. I'm telling you, you can totally start with just your iPhone and a window. But I'll turn it around in a minute. I'll show you what I have. I've upgraded slightly and I'll tell you why. So I have two box lights here just because they give me a little bit better lighting, and the two of them were under $100 on Amazon. So I put my money back into my own business for that because I just wanted a little bit better lighting, because I'm getting more, as I'm doing more videos, I'm getting more corporate videos, which I didn't expect, but it's awesome. So I have this background, and again, you can get this on Amazon. And I did have this previously because, like I said, I auditioned for commercials and movies and stuff like that. So I had a gray background. Then I went and bought a white one and I'm gonna buy a green one because my next thing I wanna offer, and this is just paper, but if you have a white wall, use that. I don't have a white wall. All our walls in our house, don't ask me why, are beige. So when we repaint the house, I need some white walls. So paint your walls white. No, you don't need this. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna buy a green one because the next thing I wanna add, which again, follow me because we'll do it together. I'm gonna add green screen, and I have, companies will just get you to record with green screen, and they will add, their editors will add to your green screen. So they'll put like a professional background behind me. So yeah, when I'm in my little jacket, like I'm just being casual today, but I was doing one earlier and I was wearing just my nice jacket and a blouse. And imagine like if they put like a business desk or people behind me looking like they're at a conference, you couldn't tell I was in my house. So yeah. Oh, and the other thing I've upgraded, and this, guys, was, again, it was on Amazon and it was under 50 bucks. I think it was 34. It's a new mic, and I only upgraded it because people were starting to like ask about, what you use for a mic and stuff. So I realized, oh, I probably should upgrade to a mic. But again, I didn't start with this. I started like the first 2 weeks just with my iPhone. So this plugs for me right into my iPhone, and I'll link it below. But this has made, sorry, I should probably put it back. It's probably making noise. This has made a huge difference. This one is the Sony one. It just gives me really sharp sound. I use it all the time, and it just clips to you. So I just clip it usually just outside of the screen, so you can't even see that I'm wearing it, and it just gives a much better sound. So do I have any other, how did I get started? I think we already went over that. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. I want to help you because I think there's so much, everything's turning video, and there is so much room for anybody. And again, if I can do it, you can do it. It doesn't matter what age we are, whatever. It's just bringing yourself and being genuine and authentic and engaging. They're not looking for professional. They're just looking for you. So reach out to me. I'm going to stop the video, turn it around so I can show you my equipment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So I turned around and you can see I have this box light. This is my ring light, and this is just like a filter that comes with it. I take it off sometimes because I like it a little bit brighter, but it kind of diffuses the light. It just came with it. I don't really use it that much. And then I have a second box light. And then this is the background, which you do not need. But look, I have brown walls. So I had to get the white one. But if you have a white wall, you don't need this. This is really just because I had it already for auditioning. But if you do want to go into the green screen, then get one. And I have the link below to show you which one. You can see it's a roll of paper, and I'm going to get a green one and hang it down. And then I will do a video about that. But, oh, and down here, I put a big blanket because our floors are hardwood and it helps the sound not bounce. But that's about it, you guys. It's pretty simple. It's really fun. And yeah, you can make some decent money at it. So go for it.